in the kitchen with Lucy Greer, always working on various different things. Today we're going back to the sweet treats.
We are. We're making cookies today.
And this is really cool. We've got a story to tell before we get started. So first of all, what are these cookies called?
These are called the Dream Cookies.
The Dream Cookie, okay. And as you can see here, that's a weird display to have when someone already took a bite. Why do we have a display of cookies where a bite has already been taken?
Well, last night when I was baking them, the boys, of course, they're not in cribs anymore. They're in regular beds, and so they often escape. So once we put them to bed, Nick and Jack ran out of their rooms, and as I was trying to catch Jack to get him back in the room, Nick ran into the kitchen, and when I caught him, he was mid-bite into the cookie and then just tossed it back up there and ran off.
Sounds like he was having a sweet dream.
He was having a sweet dream. And
yes.
Right before they went to bed, I've talked before, I'm a weird cookie dough fanatic, and I know it's not really good to eat, but I do, and so I was gonna give the boys a little bit, so I was saying cookie dough, and then they were like, no, I don't want to eat the cookie dough, but they're all about cookies, so I'm like. Yes. Maybe these aren't my kids because I'm obsessed with cookie dough.
A lot of us here at Fox 10 are in agreement with you about the cookie dough situation. We usually, when you do make a sweet treat such as cookies, we do divulge in that. What do we need to do to get these dream cookies started? Okay,
so we have 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I just let come to room temp, and I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're just going to get this mixing together.
And I love your mixer as always.
Yes.
I don't know why, this is just so neat. All right, so while you're working on mixing that up, tell us what's going on at Greer's in the midst of that summer season. Got July 4th coming up. That's a big time, all that stuff going on.
Yes, July 4th is always huge. We have amazing sales that we'll have coming out for July 4th. And, it's kind of a bummer because it's in the middle of the week.
I know, it's Wednesday this year.
Yeah, it's Wednesday this year. I know.
We should make a calendar change.
I know. Wouldn't it be awesome if it was always on a Saturday? Yes. But Wednesdays are definitely great days at Greer's because our new ads come out. And so we're going to have amazing things on sale for the 4th of July. And then our Robertsdale grand opening will be right before the 4th of July on the 27th.
Very cool.
So we are really excited about that. And we've been just working on our new Robertsdale store and also just getting all the stores just kind of geared up for the summertime. I mean, it's hard to believe.
I realized I disagreed with something you said. I just realized it. So it has to be on a Friday all the time.
Yeah.
Because then you can get off of work and have a 3-day work week. If it's on a Saturday, you may not get that holiday day.
Yes.
Depending upon your situation.
I stand corrected. You're right.
Yes.
You're right.
All right.
Not always right.
These dream cookies are looking good. You're adding the eggs one at a time.
You got it. Yes, you're very good. You're learning how to bake. I know you're a good cook.
I'm astutely watching you every time you are here, Lucy, trying to learn tricks from the trade. Hey, if you guys want to find out more about Greer's or this recipe for these dream cookies, you can find that online at the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. We'll be back with more in just a minute.